This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and this is the other room. The room that she wants to convert to the sewing room. The husband, thanks God, that he already removed one twin bed that was here. And she wants to put the sewing table in this area. So let's work it out. Okay, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and this is the sewing room. We move the bed so she will have more space. And Sandra is putting her new machine. Yeah, awesome. So she has something to start. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and you can contact us at 407-572-4118. Don't let your dreams die. If you want a sewing room and you don't have time to fix the bed, put away things, organize a little bit, just call us 407-572-4118. I'm really happy with today, with the job that we did. Awesome. We are the bomb. Okay, can you check, please? Can you come and check? So I don't know what you think.
Yes, love it.
At least you have something to start, right?
Right.
I saw in Pinterest so many ideas that you can put like a pegboard.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, I was
Awesome.
thinking that. So this is good.
Okay.